Morning, everyone. It's July 1st. It's Canada Day, but we're here and we will stream. This is going to be a second practice session, and we're going to take it from there. So I will choose my pairs in the meantime. For those that are there, just say hi in the chat. I'm going to continue doing this while you do, and it's very much appreciated for your participation. Um, okay. Good, won my first trade. Futures. Okay, so yesterday, we had a good session. 4 trades, lost the first one, which was a bad trade. But we did manage to get 3 more. Setups were not as obvious as they were far in between, so to speak. And I didn't want to chase setups, so I just stopped trading yesterday after the 4th trade. So today, let's see what the market has for us, and we'll go from there. Okay, so let's shut this down, and let's go and mark our zone. Okay, so this one doesn't really have any zones. This one either. Ooh. And it's already being consumed. So the next one is up here. As I said, I'm not in a hurry to take trades. I want to take it one step at a time. And as Dr. Grand often says, look at the market, look how it reacts, how it's dancing between buyers and sellers before hopping into trades. It's a bit choppy. Same here, but do we have something down here? Yes, we do. Yes, we do. Um, okay, this is already consumed. There's nothing here. This already consumed. Okay, let's go in 1 minute. Okay. See if we don't have any setups here. Potential 3-bar reversal. Okay, let's get rid of the pairs that are below 92. Let's get some fresh ones in. Yeah, that's pretty much our trend line. Yeah, this already consumed. That's okay. when I do this, when I place a box on the line, is the line would be the ideal area. Below the line would be the ideal area to take the trade. And in 5 minutes, I did do. Let's find a place where I did it. Oh, here. I did do like a green box and the purple box or pink box, whatever. Is I like to have the wick in a different color. Um, but if I don't have it, if I don't have time to do it, I'll do it like this. Yeah, look, it entered our size stochastic. The lines are crossing. This would have been a good trade here on the 1 minute. What about the 30 seconds? Because my strategy is on the 30 seconds. Yeah, I would have been good. This is gonna be our first trade. Oh, it was on flag mode. Darn it. That's the thing. You have to be careful if you're missing things. You have to stay focused. Otherwise, you will be missing little things like this. Why did I take it? Because it was getting weak, and we did get a candle up, but no wick here on the top. We are in the rejection zone. That's the round number here. And we did have a gap up in favor of sellers. And also, as I said, the RSI and stochastic were also confirming what I was thinking, my thesis of this going down. Now, some of you will ask, why aren't you using flag mode in your strategy, your 30 seconds? It's quite simple, because flag mode, if there's only 30 seconds left of the candle, it will only give me on the last one. But sometimes I want the candle on which I'm going on and the next one. So for example, let's say I would have came in here. Oh, okay, I'll take my pen. It's going to be easier. Let's say I would have wanted to enter here on this one. Well, on flag mode, I would have lost the trade because it's a green candle. But in 1 minute, I would have gotten these two candles, so I would have won the trade. So that's why I prefer 1 minute and not flag mode. Sometimes I'll go to 30 seconds where I just want one candle, depending on how the momentum goes. But there's other times where I just want a minute. So yeah, that's it. Okay. So we got our first one in the bag. Let's see what else we can do. What else can we find? And for those watching, don't be shy, say hi in the chat. And don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. It's very much appreciated. Almost forgot to put it back to a minute. This setup would be good for a potential. So you have one touch, two touch, and oops. Let's go up eraser. Take the pen back. The third touch would be, somewhere around here. That would be, it would be a potential good one, especially that we have our higher high here. But it doesn't seem to be wanting to come down because we do have, yep, we do have our trend line here. It's been touched 1, 2, almost 3 times now. So let's see what else we can find. There's not much, and I don't want to end up chasing trades. Here I think I put it as a 15-minute. Yeah, this trend line is pretty much dead. Let's put array. Now, for the trend lines, some will be using only the body of the candle, and others will go to the wick. Go with whatever you prefer. For me, it's a question of feeling. Sometimes I'll go for the wick, sometimes I'll go for the body. Like here, the momentum is strong, but it probably went for 30 seconds. Here, it's so far down. The momentum is very strong. It's so far down that I wouldn't even touch it. Okay, so we're 15 minutes in, and we've managed to find one. Oh, almost missed it. But as you can see, touched our line and then went back up. But it never came really down. Here in the stochastic, yes, but not on the RSI. Okay, let's go and see in 1 minute if we can find any setups. Okay, here we do have some market similarities. We never have more than 2 green candles at the same time. So can we match it with other confirmations? We do have this trend line here. Well, if it's a red candle, there goes the opportunity. We do have a round number up here. Okay, so this is not a good opportunity. Um, but that's the thing with trading. It's waiting. You have to be patient. Don't run after setups. Just wait for them to come towards you. That's how it's supposed to be done. Dr. Grant would be so proud of me for saying that. Now here, hmm, we have break out of this level, but not touching it. Break level, break trend line. 1, 2, 3. Oh my god. What did I just miss? So you have 1, 2, 3. Broke this trend line. Broke the round number here. We do have a higher high, but no, the momentum was too strong, as you can see here. Oh, I didn't miss anything. Let's see 30 seconds. Ooh, this candle is strong. Not sure. Aw, I missed that. Um, it's going up here, and I'm assuming it will bounce a bit more. But the momentum is strong. This was the area I should have taken the trade. Yeah. Because in 1 minute it's only red candles. This is not a good trade. Live and learn. Live and learn, guys. Let's see. Yeah. The opportunity was right here. That's okay. Yeah, it's crossing here. We are at the 75 level. Yeah, I had 70 and 30, and I was recommended yesterday to change it to 25 and 75. Let's see how that goes today. As you can see, touched it clearly. Now, is this a 30-second trade, or is the 1 minute sufficient? Just stay down. Let's go and see what else we can find. Yeah, as you can see here, the momentum is so strong that these are mainly 30-second trades, not 1 minute. Okay, let's go back here and see how it does. 2, 1. There you go. When there's a small week, I don't bother with having different zones to identify it. Yeah, already consumed. That's okay. Um, is there anybody out there? Let's see in 1 minute if we can't find any setups. And we have the engulf. There's this here, but it never really came there. I don't think it's a valid QA. A lot of rejections. Oops. We have to put it to flag mode. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I'm above it. I should have waited a bit. But that's okay. You know, it's part of the game. Since we made it higher, I was expecting it to go higher, but that's fine. You know, there are days like that. There are days you're going to go 75%, 80% win rate. Other days, it'd be 50%. You have to stay calm, cool, and collected. Yeah, 2-2. We have a red-green pattern, but this one went a bit higher than the previous. If it would go up here, I would go for it, but, well, we do have a nice outside bar. Outside bar, red-green pattern, expecting a retracement. If it does go up here, I'll take another one. There you go. It seems that it's not respecting it and wasn't really a range. Live and learn, live and learn. We even had, no, it's not a gap up. What is this in 1 minute? Okay. Oh, we have a strong one here. Ooh, nice. Touching, oversold or touching, and we have a gap down in favor of buyers. So let's go. What's going on with this one? Yeah, you see, this one was a 30-second trade. It wasn't a 1 minute trade. Now, with the momentum here, will it be a 30-second or will it be a 1 minute trade? We'll find out. The thing is, you have to be committed to your process and you have to forget the outcome because you can't control the outcome. Go back here. Wait for this candle. It's very weak. Price action. It's in the oversold area. So let's go. Let's see what it's going to give us. Whoops. Taking this one as well. Why? Because we are an overbought. Oh, that's a bit high though. I would have loved to take it. I've taken it a bit higher. It was low, I mean. Let's see. It was pretty far away from the 15. Okay, forget about it. That's too far. This was my thesis. Right here. I was just a candle too early. That's fine. Let's put up some fresh pairs. It's already dropped it. That's okay. Bad. That's the thing is, I wanted to enter here, but it jumped at the moment that I entered. That's why sometimes you're going to see that I take 2 or 3 positions. It's because I didn't manage to get my entry, and I want to protect it. And now here, I was talking so much. When it came back down, I didn't enter again, which I would have if I would have been more focused. I did hesitate. The thing is, when you get a bad entry, yes, sometimes, well, yes, the candle can jump and so forth, but ultimately it's because you hesitate too much. What's going on? Oh, you jumped a lot. Go up. You want to go up. Go up. Ooh, just by how much have we missed it? Oh, barely 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah. Now the thing here, the danger is you can't go and I'll try and make it back. That's not the right mentality mindset that you need. You need to be able to detach from that, and it's either I'm looking for opportunities and I'll trade my plan, execute it accordingly. Or it's I'm going to stop trading. So today we have a losing day, and that's okay. That's fine. Losing days will happen. I'll just show you an example here. Calendar. I'll show you an example. Here is for my practice account in futures. I have 2 losing days. That's fine, but look at the end of the week. I'm green everywhere. And here you're like, oh, $25. Yeah, break even. 131. Yeah, only took 1 trade. Today, taken 1 trade. Here, so it's compound effect. You have to be patient. It's not because you have a losing day that it's the end of the world. It's not. You just have to be able to manage that risk and make sure that you don't self-destruct. And this is, trading is probabilities. You never know. You can take a very good trade, great setup, everything, confirmations, everything, and still lose it. It's okay. You can't control the outcome. You can only control your execution and your mindset. Following your plan, following your rules. Detach yourself from that outcome. So we're 40 minutes in. I'll give it another 10-15 minutes. If there's nothing, there's nothing. Here, this would have been a good trade. Market similarities, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. Red 2, 2, 2, 2, 1. So I'm going to wait for this candle. And then depending on how it finishes, if we do get a candle like this, will it break the market similarities just because I entered? Anyways, I'll take them. Yeah, there you go. These are going to be my last 2 trades. I will not be taking any more trades after this. Okay, so it's a losing day. It happens. Tomorrow's a new day. So, as I said, we can't get mad. We get days like this. We have to detach from the outcome. We have to make sure that we stay in control of our emotions so we don't blow out our account. And tomorrow's going to be a new day. We have to treat it as such and go from there. So, on that, everybody, I wish each and every one of you a great day. For those that do live in Canada like me, happy Canada Day. And I'll see you guys on the next stream. Bye bye.